Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Molina Healthcare mobile app, setup guide step by step. To download the Molina Healthcare mobile app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Access your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Molina Healthcare and initiate the search. Locate the official Molina Healthcare app in the search results. Make sure it's the correct app by verifying the developer's name is Molina Healthcare. Tap on the app icon to open the app's download page. Next, click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see the app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the Molina Healthcare app. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information as required. If you already have an account, choose the login option. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, take a moment to explore the app's features. You can review your healthcare plan details, find doctors, and manage appointments. Additionally, check your benefits and track claims easily within the app. Once familiar with the interface, customize your settings as needed. Now you are ready to use the Molina Healthcare mobile app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.